Fact. On average, YouTube channels that have over 1,000 subscribers have at least 150 videos. So does this mean that you have to make 150 videos before you can get 1,000 subscribers on your channel? Fortunately, the answer is no. There is a faster way, and I'm going to share some of those secrets with you today. Make sure you watch till the end because I'm also going to share some bonus tips. As you may know, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to get monetized on YouTube. YouTube data reveals that about 1 to 3% of viewers will subscribe to your channel. So if you have 30,000 views and 3% of them subscribe, you'll get 1,000 subscribers. To break it down further, if you have 10 videos that get 3,000 views each, you'll get 1,000 subscribers. That seems a lot more doable, doesn't it? Yeep, definitely. To get views though, you need great content. What do you have to do to create great content? Let me share 3 very important success secrets. Number 1. Make sure that the niche you've chosen has at least 20 channels on YouTube with at least 100,000 subscribers. This proves that your niche is popular with viewers. Number 2. Go to those channels and look up 20 to 30 of the most popular videos. In the channels, click on Popular under Videos. Take the best aspects of those videos and take notes. You can use those ingredients to make your own successful videos. Get ideas and themes but don't copy anything exactly. Number 3. Make awesome thumbnails that get viewers' attention. Again, get ideas from videos in your niche that have really high views. Notice the fonts, colors, and images and write down ideas for your own thumbnails. Thumbnails are usually the first thing that catches the eye, so it's so important to make them stand out. Here are a few detailed tips on making great thumbnails. Number 1. Keep text short. Number 2. Make texts large and easy to read and understand. Number 3. Use bright colors and make sure there's contrast between your background and text colors. Number 4. Minimize blank empty spaces. Thumbnails and good titles get people to click on your videos, but great content gets people to stay, so both must be good. The key is to keep viewers watching your video until the end. To do this, keep things moving and change the content every 6 to 10 seconds. Now that you've watched this far, I want to reward you with 4 bonus tips, just like I promised at the start. Bonus tip number 1. Don't do intros in your videos. Get right into what you want to say. Bonus tip number 2. Make sure to talk about what your thumbnail says. Don't use clickbaits. Bonus tip number 3. Don't ask viewers to like or subscribe until you've offered value first. Bonus tip number 4. Ask for comments and say that you'll reply directly, and actually do it. This increases engagement. Ultimately, the most important thing is to keep learning, keep improving, and keep making videos. Do not give up. Remember, if you stop making videos, it's a 100% guarantee that your channel will not be successful. So no matter how discouraged you may feel in the journey, remember that there are countless others who are walking along with you. One last thing. If you want to accelerate your success, and if you want to learn from a master YouTuber who makes more in a month than most people make in a year, check out the link in the description. If you have the will and the means, it's the only YouTube mastery course I recommend. Thanks for watching, and please leave your comments. I will personally reply to you. See you in my next video.